everyone, welcome back to class. Today we are doing simple machine. Last class I have told you about a simple machine and complex machine. Today you will know about the lever. So what is the lever? A lever is a rigid rod that can move freely around a fixed point. That is a rigid rod. What is a lever? A lever is a rigid rod that can move easily in a fixed point. Okay, a lever is a rigid rod. You are seeing this one is the rigid rod, and that can move freely around. Freely it can move around a fixed point. This fixed point. A lever consider a following three parts. Lever is having three parts. What are the three parts? Fulcrum, load, effort. Understood? Lever is having three parts: fulcrum, load and effort. Fulcrum we indicate as a F, load L and effort A. Clear it is? Now you see what is a fulcrum. Here this one it is showing as a fulcrum, this one effort and this one load. Now what is the fulcrum? It is a fixed point around which the lever moves. You are saying it is a fixed point in which a lever moves. Understood? What is a fulcrum? Fulcrum is a fixed point in which lever can move. So what you are seeing here about the lever? What is the lever? Now what is the lever? Lever is a rigid rod. This is the rigid rod you are seeing. So you can say what is lever? It is a rigid rod. One rod is there. Yes. This rod, seesaw, I think you have seen. So in seesaw what you are seeing, that one fixed point is there and one rigid rod. So what is the lever? Lever is a rigid rod that can move around a fixed point. Understood? A lever, what is the lever? Seesaw in your school I think you have seen. One fixed point is there and one rigid rod, and it can move easily around it. Understood? What is lever? Lever is a fixed rod that a lever is a rigid rod. Understood? A lever is a rigid rod that moves freely around a fixed point. Clear? Now in lever three parts are there. What are the three parts? Fulcrum, load and effort. In lever how many parts are there? Three parts. What are that? Fulcrum, load and effort. You are seeing here lever part. It is drawn one fulcrum, effort and load. Fulcrum, load and effort. Fulcrum we mention as a F, load L and effort E. Clear it is? This thing we are mentioning with that. Now what is the fulcrum? This fulcrum, what is this? It is a fixed. What is a fulcrum? It is a fixed point. It is a fixed point around which lever move. It is a fixed point around which lever can move. Understood? Now next one is load. What is the load? It is an object in which work is to be performed or that has to be moved. Work has to be performed or it has to be moved. What is that load? It is an object. What is that load? It is an object on which work is to be performed or that has to be moved. Next one you are seeing that effort. You are doing their effort. Work you are doing effort. Okay. It is the force that has to be applied on the rod in order to perform a task. So what effort doing? Force is applied to this rod so that work can be done. Understood? Effort is giving there. What is load is keeping here, and we are giving effort so that work can be done. So that is known as a effort. It is clear to you all? In lever, three parts are there. What are the? Fulcrum, load and effort. And this one I have told you. What is the fulcrum? It is a fixed point. What is the fulcrum? It is the fixed point around which lever can move. Next, what is the load? Load is the object on which work to be performed. Object on which work to be performed. And next one is effort. What is the effort? It is the force. We are applying the force on the rod to perform the task. To perform what task? So that work can be done. To perform that task, we are applying a force to this rod. Understood? Now, here what you are seeing that about a effort arm. Next one is you can say about load arm and effort arm. This is what load arm and that one is effort arm. So load arm is the distance between the fulcrum and load. Fulcrum and load. Load arm is the distance between the fulcrum and load. This is known as load arm. And next one is what? Next one is effort arm. Next one, what is that? Effort arm. Effort arm is the distance between the fulcrum and effort. Effort arm is the distance between the fulcrum and effort. Understood? It is clear now? What is lever? So, what you have learned about today? What you have learned? Today you have learned about lever and about the three parts of the lever. What are the three parts of the lever? Fulcrum, loads and effort. What is the lever? So, lever is a fixed rod that can move freely around a fixed rod which can move freely around a fixed point. Understood? That is known as a lever. Now, what is that fulcrum? This fulcrum, what is this? Fulcrum is a fixed point around which lever can move. Fulcrum is a fixed point around which lever can move. Next, you have learned about what? Load. What is load? What is load? It is an object on which work to be performed or that has to be moved. It is an object on which work to be performed or it has to be moved. Understood? Next, you have learned about effort. What you have learned about effort? What is effort? It is a force that has to be applied. Effort, what is effort? It is a force which has to be applied on the rod to perform a task. Force to be applied on the rod to perform a task. Next point is load arm. What is load arm? The distance between fulcrum and load is known as a load arm. And next one is effort arm. The distance between fulcrum and effort is known as effort arm. Clear it is? So, now there is types of lever. Next point is types of lever. How many types of levers are there? There are three types of lever. First class lever, second class lever and third class lever. Understood? So next you will learn about the types of lever. Okay. Next one, what is that? It is clear to you all? This one? This diagram you will draw in your copy. Okay. Next one is types of lever. How many types of lever are there? Three types. Yes? Three types of lever. What are the three types of lever? Number one is first class lever. Number one, first class lever. Number two, second class lever. And third one, what is that? Third class lever. Third class lever. Third class lever. Understood? First, what you have learned? First, you have learned about a lever. What is lever? Next, what you have learned about three parts of lever. What are the three parts of lever? Fulcrum, load, effort. And after that, you have learned what is the load arm and what is the effort arm. Okay, so that is also clear to you all. Load arm means distance between load and fulcrum is known as load arm, and effort arm, the distance between fulcrum and effort is known as effort arm. Okay, next what you have learned, next step what you will, I have told you about the types of lever. What are the types of lever? There are three types of lever. What are that? First class lever, second class lever and third class lever. Clear this? What are the three types of lever? First class lever, second class lever and third class lever. Okay, next class I will explain you about first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. Okay, today this much only. Okay, bye bye to everyone.